Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be swapping out this old PTO assembly with a brand new one. This old one is an 1 1/8 and we're going to be putting an 1 3/8 so it'll fit any of your newer style PTO attachments. Okay, so now we have to take out these 6 bolts. These for the whole PTO assembly, and then these for this bracket, because the bracket is in front of this assembly. So we got to take these out, and then we'll be able to take these out. Okay. 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 Now we gotta do these 4. That one wasn't even that tight. Someone needs to torque these down a little bit more. Probably me. Okay. Now we're done with that. So now we're going to see what we can do with pulling this off. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna stand up. Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay. So now we're gonna put this new PTO shaft in here. Okay, gotta just get that. With the bolts on it. It ain't hitting on that. Oh, darn.
Okay, my grandson come and got me. Said he's putting in this new PTO shaft, and he can't get you see here, the flange is not seating up against the housing there. And kind of just, this is just not a perfect measurement, but we're about a 3/8 of an inch from seating up against there. And what it looked like, everything was going in good. We got, see, this flange will turn here, but as soon as I tap it in a little bit, it gets tight. I can't spin the flange. So I'm thinking we got some taper in this, the upper flange of this replacement housing here, PTO housing. So what we're going to do, we're going to pull it out and we're going to measure, see if we got taper in this housing machining shoulder here, and see what the measurement of the actual opening on the casting is. So we'll be back and let you know what we find out. Right now we went and just got a set of calipers. This isn't precision. We need a set of mics if we really want to be precise. We're just trying to figure out what the problem is. You see this housing that I'm on right here? This part of the housing? It's measuring about 3 and 250 thousandths, 250, almost 251 thousandths. Okay, now we're going to go over and measure the housing. We'll show you the problem we run into. Okay, anyways, we can see right here that we definitely got a difference. The machined housing in the PTO on the tractor is 234 thousandths. So we've got 25, 26, 27 thousandths, between 26 and 27 thousandths difference in the OD. So what we're going to probably have to do, I'm going to talk to somebody. I don't know if we can put that in a freezer. The problem is if I put that in a freezer and try to shrink that and put it in there, if I want to take it back out, you ain't going to be able to get it back out. So what it looks like we're going to have to do, we're going to have to take that somewhere to a machine shop and have them turn that housing down a little bit to fit this housing. Or we're going to have to hone this opening out some. We may be able just to hone this out, but it's going to be a little bit of work, so we're not going to be able to complete the project today. We got to regroup and figure out what we're going to do.
Okay, so we just got done shaving a little bit of material off of this lip right here. So now we're going to see if it'll fit. Get the gasket straight. Don't pinch your fingers either. Okay. Here, let's see if we can get the gasket a little bit better. Okay. Boom. There.